Hello everyone, now in this video we will learn how to make our own gesture based door lock system using one amazing sensor from DFRobots. So let's get started. So for making this project you will need all these components, which includes Arduino Pro Mini as a central controller, gravity gesture sensor as the main sensor, and a magnetic door lock. And the connection of all these components is something like this. Now, as there are many connections in this project, I opted for a custom designed PCB. I designed my own PCB from easyeda.com and gave the order to JLC PCB. Now, JLC PCB is the largest PCB manufacturing company located in China. They ensure best quality PCB to be delivered as fast as possible. You just need to upload your Gerber file, select the number of PCBs, select the color masking if you want, and place your order. You will be receiving these amazing PCBs at your doorstep. Now, talking about the quality, I have uploaded some of the pictures of these PCBs on my social media handles and people gone crazy with its design and quality. You can expect premium quality at very reasonable price, starting from $2 for 10 PCBs. So try out JLC PCB once to experience a next level PCB quality for your projects or products. Coming back to our project, let's first have a look over the coding. So this is the code for our project. I have just modified a little bit from the example code which was provided by DFRobots. So the only thing which you need to know and you need to change in this code is the pattern lock code. So in my case, the code is 2324, which reveals left, down, left, right. If you look at the code, you will find that each gesture is given a number, which is 1 for right, 2 for left, 3 for down, and 4 for up. So you can easily change the code by changing the numbers here. On every gesture, the buzzer will buzz for 10 milliseconds, which will act as a feedback for us. Then, if the pattern matches with our defined code, the buzzer will continue buzzing for 1.5 seconds and the magnetic door will be unlocked. Here, let me show you how this magnetic door lock works. If you provide 12 volt to its input, the coil inside it will get magnetized and it will hold this metallic plate. This is the lock position. And as soon as we remove the supply from its input, the coil will get demagnetized and the metallic plate will easily get detached. This is unlock position. So in this project, we are providing 12 volt with the help of relay. Coming back to the code, so if the pattern matches, the buzzer will continue buzz and the door will get unlocked. And if the pattern didn't match, then the buzzer will buzz 3 times with a delay of 500 milliseconds. So this is all about the code. Now I have uploaded this code onto this Arduino Pro Mini board using my Arduino Mega board. Now if you don't know how to program this Arduino Pro Mini, then watch out this video whose link is available in the description of this video. So coming back to the hardware, one by one I soldered all the components on this PCB, and after soldering all the components, the PCB looks something like this. I have used these male connectors to attach the sensor and the screw terminals to attach the magnetic door lock. Let's first connect everything here and test our project. Okay, so as you have seen, on entering the right pattern, the plate gets detached easily from the magnetic lock, and on entering the wrong pattern, the plate didn't get detached from the lock. So our project is perfectly working. Now I will be installing this project here in my cupboard and will show you this project in action. So here is our central controller circuit. Here is the magnetic door. The main lock is attached inside the cupboard and the metallic plate is attached to the door. So when it gets magnetized, the door will be stick to the lock and we won't be able to open it. And in the end, the sensor is attached on the front part of the door by extending some wires. Now we are powering this project with the help of this 12 volt 1 ampere adapter. So let's have a look over this project in action. So yeah, this is it about this magical project. I hope you loved this project, and if yes, then don't forget to give a like to this video. Do like it and comment your views and let me know how was this project and how was this video. And if you are new to this channel, I hope you will definitely subscribe it right now, as I will be uploading some amazing new projects in near future. So just wait for my next video. Until then, explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.